computer. And we're going to go live. Now I got to pick the other group. I love this option, by the way, that Zoom has. Things.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
Great. Let's see. Show on your group. And this time we're going over to results. One thing I don't like is that it doesn't let you like add a title, you know. It just drops it in. You have to go back and edit it later. But that's okay.
Well, when people see you and I on a live, probably they're going to jump on and see what the heck's going on anyway. Or just you even.
Okay, it's going live. I'm going to check the page and see if we're live. And if we are live, hi everybody. But give me a second here. I'll confirm this. We are live. Nice. All right. So I'm going to pull this up. I can't play it because then I'll hear you and me. So, all right, good. We are live, guys. And what we are here on this live today for is what I wanted to do is, because we're getting a lot of questions about, you know, are there professional traders in here? Are these, you know, all the results coming from, you know, professional traders in here. And one thing I want to point out is out of the 300 customers that that have come aboard on this in the past like 30 days, I could probably count on one hand the amount of them that are professional traders, right? They're all newbies. All these results that you're seeing, if you go into the photo section of this group, if you're watching this on the group, go into the photo section of the group, and I'm gonna say like 9 out of 10 of those results are from people who never even traded the Forex like 2 or 3 weeks ago, right? They're all like brand new. And one of them I have with me today is a good friend of mine. He's also a partner of mine in some other things. His name is Jason Hull. Say hi to Jason. To everybody.
Hi, Jason.
And so you may know Jason. He's, you know, a part of the leadership group. We do some projects on the network marketing side. He's got tons of experience in network marketing, but what he doesn't have and didn't have is any experience in trading the Forex. Now, is that true, Jason? I mean, have you had any experience whatsoever in the Forex before you became part of this project?
What is a Forex?
Exactly.
But to answer your question, absolutely not. I've heard of the Forex before, but I had no idea what it was. I had no idea it was a $5.3 or $5.4 trillion a day market. I mean, this was all brand spanking new to me before you brought this to me, Michael. It was, like I said, I'm a direct seller. I'm a network marketer. I have my own marketing company. It's what I do. I have never, ever been a trader. Now, with that said, I did trade penny stocks and lose my behind back about 10 years ago.
So with us though. So it's been like 3 weeks or so. I don't remember the exact.
A little over a month actually. So yeah, but I mean, literally, Michael, I've been able to go from zero knowledge of anything, never read a chart, didn't know what a candle was, didn't know any of this stuff. And guess what? I didn't have to. And that's really the exciting part for me, because people, and myself included, are coming in here and able to get profits. Like this morning, I woke up to $125 or $130 in profits, now up to $190.
Well, let's talk about that real quick. Well, let me go through that. So today we had a swipe trade came in. Well, actually came in last night, you know, and triggered through the night for the pound USD. Okay, now you have someone who's been in Forex for 4 weeks. Okay, a little over 4 weeks. How much did you make pip-wise on that pound USD so far? Right.
You're gonna make me calculate now?
Yeah.
How dare you? 55 pips right now.
So 55 pips, okay? And those of you that are new, I just want to explain the pip thing real quick. The reason why we talk in pips is because, you know, Jason and I can take the same exact trade, get the exact same amount of pips, but make completely different amount of profit on it, because you get to choose what your leverage is when you get in on a trade, okay? And we trade in units called lots, L-O-T-S, lots. And you can trade a micro mini lot or micro lot on those 55 pips, and you would make $5.50. If you traded a mini lot on those 55 pips, you would make $55. If you traded a full lot, standard lot, on those same 55 pips, you would make $550. And you can do multiples of that, right? So you can do 2 lots, 3 lots, 4 lots, right? So basically, you can make whatever amount of money you want to make as long as you have the account size to back up the leverage that you're doing. And you'll learn all about that on the inside. But the important part about this that I want to concentrate on is the pips. We got a person here who never dealt with the Forex, knew nothing about charts and patterns, and still doesn't need to, right? Doesn't need to. That's the important thing, right? So, Jason, tell me the excruciating pain you had to go through to make this trade happen.
I had to actually, I had to copy and paste. It was the most horrific thing I've ever had to experience in my entire life. No, guys, literally, it took, 15, 20 seconds, maybe 30 if I'm really slow, because I have an awesome Android phone, and it actually splits the screen now, so I don't have to go back and forth to the apps. Both of the apps are right on my one screen now. That's awesome. And literally, I can just copy and paste. It probably took me 10 seconds, actually. And that's I have an expert. This is what's exciting for me, guys, is that I have an expert that's giving me his knowledge. This is almost like, I talk to a lot of people that I work with as having a mentor. This is almost like having a mentor or having an expert that is giving you the cheat sheet. It's giving you what exactly to do. And all I had to do was copy and paste. Again, 10, 15, 20, 30 seconds if you're real slow and, iPhone user. And and literally copy and paste that
and check this out. Jason just made a really good point that I wanna lead into something here. So I've been trading for 10 years, right? So I've got a lot of experience in it, all right? Now I want to show you, if I can get that, you can probably see it right there. Let's see.
Right there.
I see it. So you see that, right? I'm up, 50-something pips, and it's like $132, right? We're up the same amount of pips. I've been doing it for 10 years. He's been doing it for 4 weeks. In a way, it kind of pisses me off a little bit. All right? Because we have newbies coming in and doing the same as experts. So the point I'm trying to make here is the playing field is completely level. I get the exact same signal as Jason gets, all right? And as long as we take our little fingers and we copy and paste the same numbers over and follow directions, we make the same pips. And then how much money we make, is up to us depending on what we leverage. Now, Not only did he use this product, but we have another product that you've heard us talk about a lot called the harmonic scanner, all right? So again, we got a newbie here 4 weeks in. He took, what pair was that on the harmonic?
I haven't been called a newbie in anything in a long time.
Isn't that weird?
But no, it's cool. And speaking of newbies, and I'll go to that pair in a second, we have a new person that just came in a little bit ago who woke up to $104 profit the other morning. He was out of his mind, never made money online before. And again, this is what's exciting, is that you can have a newbie like me or like my friend Chris, like tons of people in our group that are just plugging in the information and making money. They don't have to sell. They don't have to go to their family and recruit. They don't have to go and do network marketing and learn marketing. All they got to do is copy and paste. So with that said, it was the odd CAD, my brother. It was the Aussie dollar and the Canadian dollar. And let me figure out the pips right now.
Okay.
152 pips.
152 pips, guys. So that's over 200 pips that this is so funny, it cracks me up. Over 200 pips that he's made in one day so far, and he's only been trading the Forex for 4 freaking weeks.
Woohoo!
I mean, guys, it's crazy. All right, it's just crazy. Now don't get it wrong. We have wins, we have losses, right? That's all about trading. But when you have a system like we do, when you have a professional trading for you like we do, he wins, because of that, we have an edge. So we're winning right now. The first quarter was 74% of the trades. We're winning. That's over 7 out of 10 trades that are winners, right?
even more than that, they've never had a losing week.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh,
Yeah.
that's crazy. If
Yeah.
you just follow the rules, if you follow the rules and follow the experts, it's impossible not to make money. So it's possible. No, that's not possible. It will happen. That's the exciting part, is that if you just do what we've been talking about, guys, it's a no-brainer. I'm up over 200 pips, and I know zero.
Yeah, it is pretty amazing, you know. So I'm going to be doing a series of these type of interviews with people. Also, we're going to be doing a webinar. We're going to have a bunch of people on here. We're going to grab, you know, a dozen or so of our customers, you know, brand spanking newbies, and some of the stories will crack you up. I've already told some of them, but we're going to have a webinar as well where I'm going to, you know, pull together as many people as I can fit, probably to make the bandwidth, you know, comfortable, probably around a dozen people or so. And they're all going to be newbies. None of them are going to be professional traders. The only one that's going to be a professional trader on that panel is me hosting it. Everyone else literally went through the process Jason did. They became a customer. They went through the training, right? And they practiced, you know, for a week or two, and they start making money. You know, they start making money. They start making pips. It's really that simple. So, Jason, thank you so much for jumping on this with me.
Oh my gosh.
I'm hoping your story inspires a few of these folks.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for introducing it to me. That's, you know, I have to thank you, brother. So, you know, couldn't be partnered up with a better person, and I'm just excited to be on this journey. And, you know, guys, if you're on the fence for whatever reason and you're like, well, this is just Michael and Jason, it is not, guys. This is brand spanking new people. Again, I didn't know anything about anything in the Forex, and I'm, you know, kicking butt over 200 now. $200. Anyway,
Yeah,
and you know, and it over 210 pips now. So listen, it's just exciting stuff. So thank you, my brother. I appreciate you.
You're welcome, man. Hey, and those of you watching, if you're watching this on, you know, in the Facebook group or on the page, wherever it is, get back to the person that referred you to this group, referred you to this video, this page, and get their link. You know, get their link, get some more information, and then just get in, because the pips are coming. All right? The pips are coming with or without you. You might as well be a part of it and collect them, you know, just like we are. So having said that, guys, have a good one, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.